In this video, we will install the fuse box housing. Start by placing the fuse box housing over the transmission. Use the hardware in the K22E fuse box hardware baggie to mount the lower portion of the housing to the transmission mount structure. Tighten with a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16 wrench. Use the remaining hardware from the K22E baggie to secure the top of the fuse box housing to the chassis. Snap all of the multi-plugs into the fuse box housing except for the black multi-plug. Cut the tape on the black multi-plug wire loom to access the wires. Find the blue radiator fan wire and pull it away from the others. Now find the loose blue wire in the main wiring harness. This wire needs to connect to the blue wire going to the black multi-plug. You can solder the connection or use a pair of spade connectors like we show here. Cut the blue wire you revealed earlier. The portion coming from the multi-plug needs to be connected to the blue wire in the main harness. The leftover wire will not be used and can be taped up in the harness. Put the wires back in the loom and tape it all up. Now install the black multi-plug into the fuse box housing.